Alright, here is my website. So here's the home page, as we can see here, and we'll go to the products page. Okay, in the products page, this is where we select anything you want to add to your cart or anything. And I have a bunch of products here already put in here. So let's say we wanted to search a product. We can actually search by category or so let's search anything that is RAM, and it comes up with a couple options. We can also search by product name, so GTX 1060 type of graphics card comes up right here. We can edit these products. Okay, so if I wanted to change this, let's say went down into 311.24, we can see that got edited right here, right there. We can also delete a product. So if we wanted to get rid of this Titan XP, we can delete this, delete product. And if I look up GTX Titan XP, does not show up in the product. We can also add a product. We can add that back. So GTX Titan XP. It's a GPU. It's compatible for both types of architectures. And the price 1299.99. We can just put it as. Add the product back in, and we can search that there. And it showed back up because we added it back in. So we were able to add everything back. We can also add things to a cart here, so just add these, and I have a couple other things in here just to show this off. So a couple storage items, a motherboard. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And what else? Yeah, and then we already showed that. We can add products, we can edit products, delete products. That's pretty much everything to do with the CRUD. And if we look at here, we can actually see how this works. So this stores all the selected products, or this stores all of the what's going to be the products in a list. So, and that is made up of objects like this here. And so we can go through, and here's the connection string, makes the connection. We have our query string right here, so we can get all the products. And then these two are for the two different types of searches you can do. And then adds those in right here, so we can say select star from table products where part type is this, and that would be the category, and then this would be the for a specific product. And then here's where we execute the command and then add it to the list, and then we create a grid from that. All this styling for the grid is right here. It's the same styling as the cart. The cart is also run off a grid. If we add, and then I add an add to cart page, which creates a cookie. So it makes a connection and then creates a cookie for that value to be passed, and then in the cart itself it looks for all those cookies and then prints them out in a grid view. Yeah, and it's passing in the cookie. It's passing a ID value for each product. So yeah, that's the website. It does all the CRUD. It goes. It's organized with the database. So right here, here's my database, and here's the table and the field. Um, so it's able to insert, it's able to update, it's able to delete, it's able to search through all the products. It's able to add it to a cart. This makes it e-commerce. And yeah, that's everything.